How to change Instagram ownership. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer ownership of Instagram account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Instagram. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, if you want to change your ownership or transfer it to someone else, what you'll first need to do is just unlink your Facebook or any other accounts that is linked to your account. So for that, you can head over to your three lines on the top right. There you'll find an option called Account Center. Tap on it. And after you're on your Accounts Center, you should see your option that says your personal details. Tap on it and there you'll find account ownership and control. So you can tap on account ownership. So in this method, you can head over to memorialization. So this is the case where you can transfer your account to someone else in case of your death. So we'll not go through this here. So that's also a way, but what we'll do here is we'll actually just disconnect our account from Facebook. So tap on this, and after you're on profiles, tap on your Facebook profile, and you can just remove it after tapping on your Facebook again there. So just unsync it. You'll see the sync profile info. So just unsync your profile info. After doing that, you can head back. And now what you'll need to do is first you'll need to disable two-factor authentication. So for that, again, head over to Account Center, and on your Account Center, scroll down and you should see an option called Password and Security. Tap on Password and Security. And after you tap on it, you'll see two-factor authentication. Tap on two-factor authentication, and there you will see your account. Simply choose your account, and after you choose your account, you should be able to just remove your two-factor authentication. So as you can see, I have not added it here, so I do not really need to remove it. So you can just remove your two-factor authentication here. After you remove your two-factor authentication, now you will need to update your email and phone number. For that, you will see an option called Personal Details. Head over to Personal Details, and under Contact Info, simply tap on your Contact Info, and now you will need to change it. So to change your account info, what you'll first need to do is you will need to add a new contact for safety purposes. So just add new contact and make sure that the contact is of the person that you're trying to transfer your account to. So just add the email for that person and then remove your account from here. Tap on Delete Email, and after you do that, you're basically good to go. After you do all of these steps, you will have transferred your ownership to that person. Now also, just don't forget to tell them to change the password after they receive the account. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you change Insta ownership. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video.